So today we're taking a first peek at the Elle Studio March 2018 kit and add-ons. This is the kit, and it comes all neatly packaged here. The die cuts are my favorite part, and they're always right on top. And there's the other sheet here. So you can see stars, arrows, tabs, circles. I love the little dots, the colorful dots on the ampersand and the just a note. And the Oh Happy Day tag is probably my favorite. These are the 4" by 6" tags. That's my favorite one from this month. And then there's one more usually at the back of the kit. And this is a really nice blue lined tag. The rest in the kit are 3" by 4" tags. There's definitely a very colorful kind of rainbow theme here. Raindrops and stars and rainbows are what you're going to see in this month's kit. I love that 100% yes tag. There's some more of those dots with ample space for journaling. There's a really fun diagonal stripe. I love that red and pink as well. And there's some bunnies. You'll see those on the stamp as well this month. A spring tag, and then a numbered teal tag. Okay, these are this month's labels, and they coordinate with the colors in the kit. And then we have the stickers. These are the big moment phrase stickers. I love all the beautiful colors that they come in. Lots of different phrases for you to use on cards or scrapbook layouts. These are the days of the week chipboard stickers. Come in black and white, which is great because they go with everything. Star puffy stickers in a rainbow of colors. These are the cerulean blue puffy alphabet stickers. And you guys, this blue is so gorgeous. I cannot even tell you how awesome it is. This is the Happy Moments stamp, and there's so much to love about this stamp, especially those bunnies and the dots at the bottom and the words, especially Easter. Here you can see the vellum and wood veneer bunnies. Look how cute these are, and they come in a lot of different colors. There are 2 pieces of wood veneer in the set, and the bunnies come in 2 different sizes, small and large, and there's one of each color in both sets. Okay, next, these are the little acrylic hearts. They come in a variety of colors, and the acrylic rainbow, which is just so gorgeous. I can't even tell you. It looks like a hand-drawn rainbow, so the arches are a little bit wonky, which I love because it gives it a really playful kind of feel. And lastly, we have the one-of-a-kind wood veneer. So that's what's new in the shop this month. Be sure to click the affiliate link in my video notes to purchase the March 2018 kit and extras while they're still available, and for today only at the introductory rate of $9.99 for the kit. After today, the price increases to $11.99. If you're interested in a subscription, a few spots are available for this month, so click the subscribe tab at the top of the shop. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with the March 2018 kit.